Hi everybody, Lawrence Man here and welcome. Today I want to talk to you about something near and dear to my heart. The Surface Studio 2. Yep, that's right. And today I want to show you this. This is a video created by LAWRENCE and myself. Well, we came up with the concept and he created the video. Many of you might have already seen this. 22,000 people have. It's on his channel. He's a great 3D artist. We talked over the concept and he created this video. The reason I'm showing this to you now is because I strongly believe that Microsoft are going to release the Surface Studio 2 quite soon. We've seen the Surface Book 2 and Microsoft have been talking about the Surface Studio more and more lately, so I think the Surface Studio 2 is going to come out soon. This was our concept and I would like to see some of these changes. Which of these changes from this video would you like to see? There's a piece of my artwork which you may have already seen if you use the Sketchable app. Now here is, for example, the ruler. Microsoft have actually, since this video, brought out an on-screen ruler. I would love to see a physical ruler like this. Would you like that? Would that be of use to you? What do you think? You know, would this be of any particular use to you? Would you like to see other elements, for example, like this? You know, our version here goes flatter. We've got this dial here which has rocker motion forwards and backwards, so you can do more 3D work. On the Surface Studio 2 we've got buttons, and our Surface Studio 2 can rotate. How cool would that be? Would you like that? Would that be of use for you if, say, you do more portrait work? If you've seen this already, let me know what you think. If you haven't, let me know what you think now. You know, I'm very proud of this, and yeah, I love this video to bits. Again, our dial. We love that. Would you be interested in that as a separate dial that you could buy if Microsoft weren't interested in changing their dial at all? Would you be interested in that as a third-party object if somebody wanted to make that? All kind of thoughts. Just let me know what you think in general about this. Do you expect to see a Surface Studio 2 anytime soon? What would you like to see from the specs? We've seen a lot of new processors recently, and CES 2018 has just been. You know, the Cintiq Pro 32 and 24 have just been announced. I've just done videos. I've just released some exclusive photos. What would you like to see? I know what I'd like to see in this because it's right here. Whereas 3D has, you know, kind of brought this to life for both of us. And I'm very excited. Are you very excited? You know, let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments. Let's have a conversation and an exchange about this. Tell me, tell each other, and I think very importantly, tell Microsoft. Let's open this up for debate and let's tell Microsoft as well. Hopefully they're reading this. So yeah, let's keep this conversation alive and let Microsoft know what we want from them, what we expect from them. Because it's important to remember that right up until the last moment, companies make changes, and companies are capable of making changes to devices. You know, I learned that very much while working with Dell, and it's a very great thing that companies are, especially big companies, are very capable of doing that. So if we say to Microsoft, this is what we want, we're very adamant, and the Surface Studio is made for creatives, it is made for artists, and it's made for you and me and everybody like us. So if we club together and we say this is what we want, we're the target audience here, guys. We're a very specific audience of creatives.
Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and even subscribe to my channel, Lawrence Can Draw. And if you really did like what you saw here, you can see more of it on my website, lawrenceman.co.uk. I'll see you next time.